Continuing on to talk about traveling, packing helpful hints. This one I think the girls will find fun. In this segment we're going to talk about how to maximize your wardrobe with a minimal amount of pieces. Now I haven't got the exact amount of pieces that perhaps would last for about a week, but for a few days I'll hold up some articles and you'll get an idea of what we're talking about. For example, with just 2 pairs of slacks and 3 tops, you can mix and match. Example number 1, top, sweater with these pants, top, sweater with those pants. Another selection for another day, top with these pants, top with those pants. Kind of get the picture? Or you can wear this sweater underneath the over jacket. So you kind of get the idea of being able to mix and match your wardrobe. Color coordinating is important, and also you'd want to take into consideration the shoes that you'd wear with particular outfits, shoes that would go with either pair of slacks. You must take into consideration heel height as well when you're talking about slacks. Don't want to have the flood look. We'll be back in a second to carry on to see how to pack other items and the best ways to stick them in your case. Watch.